In this video, I'll show you how to add a shadow to your photo in Canva. Let's use this photo as an example. Click to select the photo you want to edit. Go to the Edit tab. Under the Effects category on the left, find the Shadow option. Click Shadow and choose a style like Glow, Drop, Outline, Curved, Page Lift, Angled, or Backdrop. For this example, select Page Lift. Adjust settings such as blur amount, distance, curve, and intensity to customize the shadow. You can also change the shadow color if needed. And that's it, quick and easy. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.